charged me $5 to take my money out at this end. Imagine what they're going to ask at my bank in my country. I'm not taking my money out yet. Thompson asked a great question that you probably have as well, which is how do you handle your money and bank accounts when you're traveling? Do you need travel insurance, and how do you handle health insurance? So in terms of banking, let me give you my top tips. It's actually fine to keep the bank account in your own country. Before you go away, ask them what their charges are when you take money out at another bank. The other thing that you can always find out is which banks are they associated with. For example, let's say you're with TD Bank in Canada, but they're affiliated with the Hong Kong Bank. So when you're in Hong Kong, for example, you'll be able to take money out from there probably without as many charges as you would with another ATM. And HSBC, as much as I don't like the fees that they charge, are actually the world's local bank. So they're probably worthwhile considering if you are going to be doing a lot of traveling, because they allow you to set up bank accounts in different countries if you have an HSBC account in your own country. Most ATMs, when you're withdrawing money, will actually tell you how much they're going to rip you off this time, or should I say charge you. So it can be anywhere from $1 up to $5 is the most that I've paid. So that's the charge from the local bank, and then you will want to check your statement back at your bank, or even give them a call and see how much they'll charge you, which is usually a little less, but it can even be up to $5 as well. Now, I personally don't mind paying a $10 charge for the convenience of getting out money when I really need it. And the other thing is take as much money out as you can, because then you're paying less of a fee for that money. So take out the most that the bank will allow you to do. That's that question answered. So the second part of that question was around travel and health insurance. And I know that a lot of you people from the US are pretty obsessed about health insurance. The rest of the world, not so much. In fact, I for the longest time didn't have any travel or health insurance. That used to worry a lot of my friends. Okay, so my recommended resource for this is actually World Nomads. There are a lot of providers of travel and health insurance out there, but for me they really have a handle on the travel market. You can get policies that are for a day, a week, a couple of months, or even years. And you can also pick the level of adventure and danger in your trip, and obviously the less of that you have, it's going to reduce the policy premium. And within it they have a great medical and health insurance segment, which is very, very decent. So I would recommend you look at those. Obviously you can get cheaper deals sometimes in your own country with a reputable health insurance agent or travel insurance agent, and sometimes the airlines will also offer that to you. And don't forget your humble credit card. If you have a decent plan on your credit card and maybe you're set up on the travel aspect of it, it will include travel and health insurance. So make sure you check all these things before you go on your travels and do your research.